Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the door panel on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This one is an 07 model, but it will be the same all the way from 2006 until 2012. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. First thing that you will need to do, you need to remove that cover there by just pushing on top a little bit, prying with the screwdriver, and there is two clips as you can see. And now if you have a speaker there, you need to press down and pull, and now you have the cover off. Next, right here there is one little bitty cap that we will need to remove with a small knife or a little needle you can use, because there is a screw there. Also there is another cap where the door handle is. You just open this one and there is one more cap right there. Okay. Now we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver this screw right here. Careful not to lose them. That screw in the door handle. It's again with that same Phillips screwdriver. Just take it off. And now we need to remove the screw that had the lid under the door handle right here. And also there is one more screw that we need to remove, and it's down there. So you need to take this one off as well. Now you need to go on the bottom right here. There is a slot where you can pry with a screwdriver or a prying tool, and just apply some pressure. You hear it getting loose. Okay, those are pretty tight sometimes depending on the clips. Okay, you can hear them coming out. Now you can go ahead and pull that trim around the interior door handle out so it's not in the way. Okay, now you need to grab and pull up. It needs to come out of both places and just come out of the door handle right there. Okay, like that. And now you need to unhook all the wires depending on how many you have, depending on how loaded the vehicle is. Okay, and you just remove all the clips by pressing down and pulling out, and that's the whole procedure, guys, for removing the regulator. Okay, you can see, or if you need to remove the switch for some reason, it's pretty simple. Hopefully the video was helpful. It will be the same for the front right side as well. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.